Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a simple, fast, and effective tutorial that shows you how to create a WireGuard server right from your laptop or computer and easily upload the WireGuard config to your mobile device using a QR code. This is one of the easiest ways to get fast and secure internet working on your device. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. First, grab your laptop or computer and open Chrome or any web browser of your choice. Now, in the search bar, type WireGuard Config Generator. From the search results, click the official website link that leads you to the WireGuard Config Generator homepage. Once you're on the website, you'll notice there's already a default configuration available. You can choose to download, copy, or scan the QR code of that default config if you'd like. But we want to generate a new custom config, so click the Generate Config button. In just a few seconds, a new config file will be successfully created. Now you'll see three options: download the config file, copy to clipboard, scan the QR code. In today's tutorial, we're going to use the scan QR code method because it's super fast and doesn't need extra steps. If you're curious about the other two methods, check out the links in the description below. Now, switch to your mobile device and open the WireGuard app. At the bottom of the app's homepage, you'll see a big plus button. Tap it, and from the pop-up window, select Scan from QR Code. Point your phone camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Within seconds, the code will scan successfully. Once scanned, you'll be asked to name the configuration. You can name it anything you want, for example, FastWG Server. Then tap Save. Now, to activate it, simply tap the radio button next to the config name. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast and secure internet using WireGuard. If you want to add a custom SNI or endpoint, simply tap the server name, then click the pencil icon on the top right. Scroll to the endpoint field and enter your valid SNI if you have one. Tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it! You've now created and connected to a WireGuard server using just a few clicks and a QR scan. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.